Sophie. It's summertime! I still remember the summer times when I used to go to the beach. And there was only one thing I liked to do on the beach. Building sand castles. And today, I'm going to teach my mom how to draw one. If you want to draw with us, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something to color with. Let's start it. So first, we're going to draw the base of our castle.
Okay.
So leave some space on the bottom for the pile of sand it's standing on. Okay. So about here on the left-hand corner, only not exactly here, we're going to draw a straight line.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw about here another straight line. And then we're going to connect them together with a slightly curved line. Okay, it's okay if yours is a little small because sandcastles aren't exactly humongous. Now we're going to draw this is a balcony. We're going to just draw the balcony railing. So first we're going to draw a straight line going from left to right, and then a straight line going down.
Okay.
And then a straight line going left to right, only down here, not up here.
Okay.
And then we're going to go to a straight line here going down, and a straight line here going left to right, and then a straight line going down, and a straight line going from left to right. Okay. We're going to repeat this. It's like a pattern.
All right. I like patterns.
Me too. It's okay if your lines aren't exactly even because sandcastles aren't exactly perfect.
Okay.
Next, we're going to draw the little door of our sandcastle.
Okay.
So first, I'm going to just draw an upside down U. That's it. Doors are easy to draw. That is a humongous door. Wow. That is a castle-like door.
Oh.
Now we're going to draw the second story. So about here, we're going to draw a straight line. About in the middle here, it's a little narrower than the first one.
Okay.
And then same thing here. We're going to draw it a little bit here. Okay. It's really nice. I like that funky shape. Sandcastles aren't perfect. And for now, we're going to draw the balcony like railing again. So first, we're going to draw a straight line going from left to right.
Okay.
And then a straight line going down.
Okay.
And then a straight line going from left to right, only like down here. Like a pattern. Okay. We're going to do it again. Just like the first story. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay, Mama. Sandcastles aren't perfect. Next, we're going to draw some windows. I'm going to draw a straight line down here, pretending that it's being covered by this thing, and then draw an upside down U.
Oh. That's very detailed.
And then we draw an upside down U, and pretend it's going behind this one.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw upside down U here, hiding behind these ones. Next, let's draw the third story.
Okay.
Okay, so this one is even narrower than the second story. So we're going to start here, draw a straight line. And then we're going to do here, same thing here. We're going to draw a straight line. Okay, so next let's do the balcony railing again. Straight line from left to right, a straight line going down, a straight line going from left to right, one at the bottom, and then we're going to repeat it again and again and again and again and again, just like a pattern.
Okay.
Next, we're going to draw the small, windows. First, let's draw the upside down U, and then the small, the line going down, going behind there. And then we're going to draw another one here. I'm just going to draw 3, but you can make as many windows as you want.
All right.
Now we're going to finish it off by a straight line here.
What is this?
You'll see a straight line going here.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to draw a curved line going a bit way off here. And then a kind of like a V shape. Upside down V, maybe?
Okay. Triangle?
Yes. Perfect.
Thank you.
Next, we're going to add a small, big window. Not big.
window.
No. What I meant was a big window.
Okay.
What was wrong with me? Now let me draw a huge upside down U. And then let me draw the little small curve. Okay.
Okay.
Done. Now I'm going to add a small flag if you have space.
Okay.
So I'm just going to draw the pole of the flag first, a straight line. And then I'm just going to draw the flag. I'm just going to draw a sideways triangle. Okay. Now it's time to draw the towers, the second and third towers. This is the first tower.
Okay.
So here, I'm going to draw a small curved line. It's not up here, but it's about here.
In the middle?
Yes, in the middle here. We're a little below the middle, but it's
Okay.
okay if you didn't
Okay.
do it. And we're going to draw a straight line that goes
How tall would it be?
all the way a little above the third story.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw another straight line going down here. Oops, this line isn't exactly
And
straight.
of the second
Yes.
story?
My line isn't exactly straight, but it's okay.
Okay.
Now I'm going to draw the roof of the tower. First, I'm going to draw a curve.
Okay.
And then I'm going to do the same upside down V shape as I did for this one.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to draw the small window. I'm going to draw a very thin, very long upside down U.
Very long thing.
Yeah. Then I'm going to draw a small curve. Straight line.
Okay.
I got my words mixed up today.
Sorry.
That is a very humongous window.
Okay.
Next, let's draw the other tower. So starting from here, we're going to draw a straight line. Same as this side. See?
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to draw another straight line. A straight line just like this one, just a little bit above. Next, let's draw a straight line ending at the second story.
I don't have any space in second story. Can I end with it?
Yes,
The
it's
first
okay.
story.
Sandcastles aren't perfect, Mom.
Okay.
And now we're going to draw the roof. We're just going to draw a curve.
Curve.
And then we're going to draw an upside down V shape.
V.
And then we're going to draw the window, which we're basically going to draw a long, thin U, just like the other side, and then connect it.
Okay.
Now it's time to add their flags. So I am going to draw the flagpole first, a straight line, and then I am going to add the same sideways triangle shape. And then same thing, here we're going to draw this flagpole, a straight line, and then the sideways triangle shape. Oops. Now, it's time for us to draw the lump of sand the sandcastle is standing on.
Okay.
So we're going to go from here, and we're going to make a long curved line
Okay.
here. Okay. Next, we can add some small decorations. Like,
Okay.
I'm just going to add a small sea star.
All right.
I'm just going to draw a small upside down, a sideways U here, a U here,
Okay.
a U here,
How many U's?
5 U's,
Okay.
and a U here, and a U here. I'm not going to make it look perfect since the the sea star is just like hanging around here.
Okay.
since this is sand, you know those little tiny dots on the sand? We're going to draw those little dots. Just a couple on the bottom. And then on the sandcastle too, except for the doors, windows, and flags.
Why?
Because those, well, the flags are a different object.
Oh, okay.
And the doors, it's not supposed to have some little dots inside.
Why would you put the dots?
To make it seem more like sand. Like
okay.
tiny grains of sand, tiny big lumps of sand. You know.
But are we gonna color it?
Yes. I mean, not the tiny little dots, but we are going to color the sandcastle.
Okay. Oh my. So many dots.
So many dots. I'm just going to add a few here.
Okay.
Okay. Now that we're done spotting it, before we color it, I am going to tell you what colors we are going to use.
Okay.
We're first going to use a gold or light brown color to color the body of the sandcastle. We're going to use a brown to color in the doors and windows. And we're going to use a red to color the flags and sea star. Of course, you can color your sea star any color. Purple, blue, any color.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay. First, I am going to color my sandcastle's body. We're just going to color it the gold. Lots and lots and lots of gold.
Oh, I like that color.
Oh, thanks. All right, we're done coloring and drawing. Both my mom and I finished our sandcastles. This is my mom's. This is mine. Mine looks different than my mom's. Mine is darker. My mom is lighter. I like my mom's two blue flags and one pinkish red. It's so creative. How do your drawings turn out? I bet they look awesome.
Hey, Sophie. Do you want to go to a beach?
Sure, let's start packing.